Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 15 and let me share with you how to enable the OTG connection on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's scroll down again and find OTG and enter, and as you can see here we've got the option we're looking for. Unfortunately in my case it is disabled. It is because I'm charging my device right now, so let me just unplug the cable, and now I can show you that this option is available, is active. So we can simply tap on the switcher to turn it on, and in order to turn it off, if you need it, just tap on the switcher again, or you can simply wait 10 minutes because it will be turned off automatically after 10 minutes of, let's say, inactivity. So it's totally up to you how you wish to do that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.